Hi dear friends, welcome back to our channel and Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. Dear children, in this video we are going to discuss about the derivation of V is equals to U plus AT. This is the very easiest derivation, children. Already we have four equations of motion. V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square is equals to 2S, and Sn is equals to U plus A of n minus of. So already we discussed about those four equations. So in this video you are going to learn about this equation of motion V is equals to U plus AT derivation. To derive this equation you must have idea about the definition of acceleration. So when we know about the acceleration definition, then only it is possible. సో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ డెరైవ్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా v ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు యూ ప్లస్ ఏటీ రావాలి అంటే యాక్సలరేషన్ డెఫినేషన్ మనం తెలుసుకొని ఉండాలి. వాట్ ఈజ్ యాక్సలరేషన్? వాట్ యు నో చిల్డ్రన్? ఎస్, ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాక్సలరేషన్. ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ change of velocity, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, got it children? So we have formula for acceleration. What it is? Acceleration is equals to change in velocity by time. So this is the equation for acceleration. So what it is? Change in velocity by time. There is something change. What it is change? Change in velocity with respect to time. If there is any change in velocity of body with respect to time, then what you have to say? The body has acceleration. Clear children? So already you know what is the formula for acceleration. So what it is? So children, in this we have one diagram. It is there, that is here there is one car. It is there initially that is having some velocity u is equals to u meter per second and t is 0 seconds. When the time is 0, the velocity is u meter per second, and when it is having some velocity that is in motion, after time t seconds its velocity becomes v. Clear? When the time is at 0 seconds we are having the velocity of car is u meter per second. After the time t seconds its velocity becomes v. So that's what I have to say here. In this motion of the car, u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity. Then what is change in velocity? For example, here we are saying now, for example, it is initially having some speed 10 meter per second and its velocity is some 40 meter per second. Then what is change in velocity? 30 meter per second. How we are saying 40 minus 10, that is what? 10 meter per second. That's why in this example, when the car is having initially velocities u meter per second and after time t seconds its velocity becomes v meter per second, then obviously what we say? Change in velocity is what? Yes, v minus u. That's why here acceleration is represented by a is equals to change in velocity means what? v minus u, and time is what? t minus 0, that is t by t. So this is the expression for acceleration. Clear children? Then what, right? A is equals to v minus u by t. We are bringing t to this side. In this one equation it is in denominator. If it is come to this side, like multiplication, at is equals to v minus u. After that we have to bring the u to this side. Here it is minus u. If it is brings to this side, plus. That's why u plus at is equals to v. So children, that is the equation we got. V is equals to u plus at children. So tell me now, this equation represents what? What is V? Yes, what you said, v is the final velocity. Therefore this equation represents the final velocity of the body, final velocity of the body of the car. Got it? So in mathematics problems we have so many problems are there. Later we discuss about the problems related to these equations. Okay children, in this way we can derive the equation of motion v is equals to u plus at. Okay.